Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, guess what? Guess who is back? We're back, right, production?
Right.
Outstanding. Welcome back, everybody. This is Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender in our new kitchen/studio. Thank you, every single one of you guys, for being so patient with us. Unfortunately, a lot of things went south. But hey, anyway, things happen. But the good thing is that we are here. It feels amazing to be back into my little studio, feel more comfortable. And hey, I want to start by opening a really cool present that my friend Marquitos Cortez brought for me. Look at this thing. This is absolutely amazing. Producto hecho en Mexico. This is,
Mexico.
well, Mexico. Gracias, güera. Oh my God, I'm sorry. I cannot start this celebration without having a little shot of my favorite spirit, which is Mezcal. And what a way to do it with the new line of the Logia trilogy that is coming soon to America. Sierra Negra, Tobalá, and Duranguense Mezcal is coming over. And guys, like I said, thank you so much to all of you for your patience, for being so kind, giving us your thumbs up, your like. If this is your first time, don't forget to give a little click and the like and the subscribe, and you're gonna be able to get two, no one. Now you understand, production. 2 videos a week. So let's start this party on. Salud, everyone. Today we're gonna do the Devil's Soul, one of my favorite cocktails for that Halloween party. Please stay here with me and let me show you how we're gonna pour this guy. Okay, you guys, so Halloween is around the corner. Obviously, we're kicking off the season. We're gonna have a beautiful fall. I mean, you can tell in San Diego it's gonna be really nice and cold. And what a nice way to warm up with something good. Unfortunately, we have a little problem, little accident. Production actually dropped my Templeton Rye high proof, and we're gonna have to go for something that I have right there on the wardrobe. So this is the Woodford's Reserve. This is a high proof bourbon. The cocktail is supposed to be made with high proof rye, but things happen, and it was just enough to make the cocktail. So that's why I'm not even mad at her. Right, production? I love you, my amor. All right, so in that case, the original recipe, like I said, calls for high proof rye, but you can make it with a really nice bourbon of your preference. So we're gonna start building our cocktail, and we're gonna go for 1 full ounce of Woodford's Reserve. This thing is gonna be followed by 1/3 of an ounce of Mezcal Amaraz, espadín. Then you're gonna go for 1/3 of an ounce of Amaro Averna. I totally suggest you guys to get these ingredients properly. The cocktail is absolutely amazing, and trust me, if you like really high proof cocktails, kind of like your Manhattans or you like your old fashions, this one is gonna be one in your list of your most favorite cocktails. Let's go for 1/3 of an ounce. Now, we're gonna go for Aperol, or you can use Campari if you want to, and what you wanna do is just a bar spoon. Same thing with our Saint Germain. 1 bar spoon. Let's get some ice. See. Let's get a nice Nick and Nora, previously chilled, just like this one. And let's strain our cocktail. little orange peel. Go for a little torch to preheat this peel. And then do a little nice, a beautiful garnish. And we're ready to celebrate the Halloween. The devil's salt, everybody. Thank you so much for waiting. Welcome back to the kitchen, and salud, everyone. Remember, don't drink and drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Right, production?
Righto.
Cheers, everyone.